Hi everybody, I am very happy to express my journey as an young entrepreneur. It was a wonderful journey and I enjoyed and I learned a lot during this period. My father just forwarded an advertisement of VIBGYOR Junior coding classes. Initially, I was not interested and not aware of coding. As per my father's wish, I attended the trial class and the basic classes. Then I little bit understood that coding will give me a creative mind, problem solving, logical thinking skills and more. After that, I predicted that coding will lead me to a bright future. However, I continued my journey of coding and started to learn deeply. In between, I did adequately simple projects. In that, few projects like money management app for entrepreneurs, health app which finds the health rate, body mass index, chat app, chatbots and human and space apps, etc. inspired me to develop my coding skills. Due to the work pressure, my father comes to our home late night and I and my sister would get disappointed. So I usually go to my father's advocate office. By the time the juniors and employees search the documents, there might be a delay for the advocates. He would be continuously interacting with the people, collecting the documents, evidences, preparing the case reports, allocating the job for the juniors and the employees, following up the clients for the next meeting and informing the hearing date. I want my dad to come home soon. That time there was a spark in my mind to solve my father's problem. So I created an app for advocates. I like the quote of Bill Gates, "Don't miss opportunity or else you will fail in the future." Likewise, I got an opportunity from VIBGYOR Junior. The team sent me a mail regarding the 18 under 18 fellowship. VIBGYOR Junior's 18 under 18 mission empowered me to create an app that solves the challenges of advocates. I used that opportunity to attain my first step to hit the jackpot. VIBGYOR Junior company arranged the mentorship classes to mold my idea into a real-time based application. Through this class, I got confidence about my app and I enjoyed a lot during the mentorship classes, encouraging learning technical concepts, professional design. Such learnings reinforces my understanding of nature. One day, my mentor assigned me a complicated design image to set the model of my app. I used a few features and applied my knowledge to create a structural design app. My mentor appreciated me a lot for doing this design. Likewise, there are many incidents in my mentorship experience. With the mentor support, I made an app called e-attorney, though it was not full-fledged. So, I want to create a web app with extra features. As an experienced student in HTML and CSS, I used these two languages to develop the website. We interviewed 4 to 5 developers, out of which we selected 2 of them. They also helped us in buying the domains, SMS and email packages, etc. Our web app contains 3 modules, each for the advocates, admin and client. Here I like to demo my web application. This is the sign up screen where the advocate has to register their account. In sign in screen, we have 3 options for login. The first one is email with password option, the second one is Google sign in option and the last one is mobile number with OTP. This is the dashboard where the advocates can see the overview of their clients and cases. Also, they can view a line graph where they can see total number of filed cases and disposed cases. And they can check today's hearing and meeting schedules as well. As I already mentioned, advocates can see the clients list in this page. The clients can be added. Once the client's details are submitted, the new clients will be added to the clients list. Likewise, a client can have multiple number of cases which are visible in this screen. The meeting details files and the case documents can be uploaded in this page. The same is applicable for the hearing process. The clients will receive an automatic SMS reminder a day before the particular meeting and the hearing date. My schedule screen shows the calendar to display the meeting and the hearing. As of now, we have added a private chat option for the clients to live communicate with the advocate.